What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Rev Room. Today we have
the Spider-Verse Whopper from Burger King. This is basically your average Whopper with...
Oh, why don't you tell them the story of your travels trying to get this burger?
Yeah, so I probably had to go to, like, I'd say about 3 different Burger Kings to get it. Oh, and I went to one, and they said, yeah, we have the Spider-Verse burger, but we just don't have the red bun. Okay. So I asked her, I was like, that's pretty much just a Whopper with Swiss cheese, right? They're like, correct. I just pulled off in the drive-thru. Just pulled off. I'm like, not even gonna waste my breath talking to you anymore.
Unbelievable.
Here is the Spider-Verse Whopper, obviously famously known for its red bun and black sesame seeds.
So it's funny that they actually told you that it's basically just a Whopper with cheese.
Right.
And that there was actually nothing special about the Spider-Man burger, just the fact that it's red. So.
Right, and I was just like, well, why else would you be eating it? It's obviously the red bun. So, oh, you're going to start?
Tons of stuff on it, which we're not used to after shooting the all those chicken sandwiches.
Yeah.
But
just tastes like a Whopper to me.
It's a Whopper.
That's really all it is. I'm gonna take one more bite. Maybe might get a better. Might turn into Spider-Man. Maybe, who knows? Pretty much just a Whopper with Swiss cheese.
Swiss
cheese?
Tomatoes,
mayo. Yeah, I believe so. Whopper with no cheese, I guess.
So
I said Spider-Verse burger and it had cheese in the ad in the drive-thru, so.
They basically told you it was a Whopper with cheese.
Right.
And they gave you a Whopper on a red bun, supposed to be Spider-Man, with no cheese.
Spider-free also.
Yeah. So, definitely no shortage of mayo and ketchup.
Yeah.
And onions,
lettuce.
And pickles, and lettuce. They definitely load up the sandwiches at Burger King, so that's good.
Yeah. I don't see any cheese.
But yeah, the burger is supposed to have cheese on it. We don't have cheese.
Is that it right there? That looks like what apparently is Swiss. Yeah, that's Swiss.
So it's supposed to be Swiss cheese.
I guess so.
Alright. So
it's Swiss cheese.
What?
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Swiss cheese on a burger. I mean, it's a good burger, but
you're really just paying for the red bun and black sesame seeds. It's just a look. I've been recently seeing the memes where people have been eating it and getting sick, or supposedly turning into Spider-Man. So I was like, I gotta actually try that because hey, who wouldn't want to climb walls?
Yeah, I mean,
I would.
I doubt people over 250 are gonna be turning into Spider-Man, but that's mostly the people that are gonna be eating these burgers. So
my 250.
So yeah, I mean, listen, the burger's great. It's delicious. There's nothing special making this the Spider-Man or Spider-Verse burger. There's nothing special about it.
Right.
I guess a regular Whopper you can get with cheese or without cheese, but I would assume it's American cheese, not Swiss. So
right. I thought so too.
Getting the red bun with the black seeds and Swiss cheese on it, which I'm sure if you got a Whopper and asked them for Swiss cheese, they'd put it on. But yeah, I don't see the issue with that. But very good burger. Just nothing special that,
You're paying for food coloring.
Yeah.
That's just what you're really paying for.
Is it the same price as a regular Whopper?
You know something? I didn't even check, to be honest with you, but I'm sure it is because it's a Spider-Verse Whopper.
We'll put it down below, the prices, if there is any discrepancy in price. But yeah, I mean, like I said, damn good burger. Burger King has good burgers.
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah, so that's what we got for you guys.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Take care.
See you next time.